In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items in Zoho Books. We'll walk through adding a new item so it's ready to use on your invoices, bills, and estimates. This is perfect whether you sell physical products or provide services. I'll keep it simple, add helpful context as we go, and by the end you'll have a clean, reusable item in your account. To start, open Zoho Books and sign into the correct organization. If you manage more than one organization, double-check the name in the top bar to make sure you're working in the right place. Also note that you might need the right permissions to create items, so if you don't see the option I mentioned next, reach out to your account admin. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the Items section. This is your central list of everything you sell or purchase. It's where you can see existing products and services, adjust details, and keep your catalog tidy. Keeping items organized here will save time later when you create transactions. Now click the New button to create a fresh item. This opens the item form, which is where you'll add all the key details your team and your customers will see. Take a moment to fill this out carefully. The more accurate this information is now, the fewer edits you'll need later. Enter a clear item name that your team will recognize at a glance. If you use internal codes, add an item code or SKU to help with searching and reporting. Add a concise description that explains what the item is. Include key specs or service scope so everyone knows exactly what's being billed. Choose the appropriate unit, like each, hour, or box, so quantities make sense on invoices. Set your sales rate for what you charge customers. If you also buy this item from vendors, add a purchase rate to streamline bills. Assign the right income and expense accounts to keep your reporting accurate. For taxes, select the tax preference or applicable tax. This ensures invoices calculate totals correctly based on your local rules. If this is a product you stock, enable inventory tracking if available and enter details like opening stock and reorder level. If it's a service, leave inventory features off. Before saving, review for typos, confirm the currency and price format, and make sure the item is marked as active so it appears on new transactions. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the items list with your new entry visible and ready to use. From here, you can add it to invoices, estimates, sales orders, bills, and more. If you ever need to update pricing or descriptions, just edit the item and save your changes. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and ready for your workflows.